morning, everyone! Welcome to another beautiful day in Stars Hollow. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of Gilmore Girls, a show that has captured our hearts. We're starting our day with a breakfast combo that screams Stars Hollow. Picture this. It's a crisp fall morning, the leaves are turning shades of orange and red. You're nestled in a cozy nook at Luke's Diner, the heart of the town. The aroma of fresh coffee fills the air, mingling with the scent of baked goods. What's on the menu? Pop-Tarts, of course, a Gilmore Girls staple. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Enjoy every bite. Okay, baking stars, ready to create some magic in the kitchen? Let's whip up some Pop-Tarts that would make Lorelai and Rory proud. These homemade treats are sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. Don't worry, this recipe is super easy, even if you're not a seasoned baker. It's all about having fun and enjoying the process. Here's what you need: flour, sugar, butter, lots of butter, an egg, salt, and your favorite jam or preserves. Gather all your ingredients before you start. Feeling adventurous? Add a splash of vanilla or almond extract to the dough. It adds a delightful twist to the flavor. First, mix your dry ingredients. This is the foundation of your dough, so make sure it's well combined. Then, cut in the cold butter until it looks like coarse crumbs. This step is crucial for that flaky texture we all love. Add your egg and a splash of cold water. The cold water helps keep the dough from getting too sticky. Mix it just until it forms a dough. Be careful not to overmix. We want it to stay tender. Now, the fun part. Roll out your dough on a floured surface and cut it into rectangles. Try to make them as even as possible. Spread one rectangle with jam, top with another rectangle, and crimp the edges with a fork. This seals in all that delicious filling. Brush with a little milk and sprinkle with sugar for that classic Pop-Tart sparkle. It adds a nice crunch and sweetness. Pop those babies in a preheated oven and bake until golden brown. Keep an eye on them so they don't overbake. The smell of homemade Pop-Tarts? That's pure happiness baking. Let them cool slightly before enjoying if you can wait that long. We can't have a Gilmore Girls breakfast without coffee, can we? Lorelai practically runs on the stuff. The good news is, you don't need a Luke's Diner mug to enjoy a fantastic cup. Whether you prefer a classic drip coffee maker, a French press for a bolder brew, or even instant coffee in a pinch, no judgment here. The key is to make it your own. Add a splash of milk or cream, sprinkle in some cinnamon or nutmeg, or even top it off with whipped cream for a real treat. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to enjoy your coffee, just like there's no wrong way to express your inner Gilmore Girl. The most important ingredient? Enthusiasm. So, pour yourself a steaming mug and get ready for a caffeine boost, Stars Hollow style. Section 4. A breakfast duo as iconic as Lorelai and Rory. There's something so special about the combination of Pop-Tarts and coffee, especially when it's infused with the spirit of Gilmore Girls. This dynamic duo of breakfast treats brings a sense of nostalgia and comfort. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life, the kind that Lorelai and Rory cherished. The joy of sharing a meal with loved ones, creating memories that last a lifetime, and the importance of starting your day with a little bit of sweetness and a whole lot of caffeine. It's a ritual that sets the tone for the day ahead. Think about Lorelai and Rory's legendary coffee dates at Luke's, their witty banter, their heartwarming conversations, and their unbreakable bond all took place over steaming mugs of coffee and a plate of something delicious. These moments were more than just meals. They were a cornerstone of their relationship. This breakfast isn't just about the food, it's about the experience, the atmosphere, and the company. It's about creating your own Gilmore Girls moments, those little slices of joy that make life special. Whether it's a quiet morning at home with a good book, savoring each bite and sip, or a lively brunch with friends, filled with laughter and conversation. It's about embracing the quirky charm and heartwarming spirit of Stars Hollow, the fictional town that feels like home, one bite and one sip at a time. So grab your Pop-Tarts and coffee and start your day the Gilmore way. Section 5. Your turn to experience Stars Hollow in every bite. So, are you ready to have your own little piece of Stars Hollow? Gather your ingredients, put on your favorite Gilmore Girls episode, and get baking. Trust me, these homemade Pop-Tarts and a perfectly brewed cup of coffee will transport you straight to Stars Hollow. Don't forget to share your culinary creations and your favorite Gilmore Girls memories. Did you channel your inner Lorelai with a mountain of whipped cream on your coffee? Did you recreate Rory's study session fuel with a stack of Pop-Tarts? Let me know. Remember, life's too short to skip dessert. Or breakfast for that matter. So grab a Pop-Tart, pour yourself another cup of coffee, and let's celebrate the Gilmore Girls way. Happy eating!